Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, Diodu 0. I'm joined by Upujabu.
Hey, Stibo.
Favorite money.
Ukrent. Yeah, no, it's FNB.
Yeah.
So khuluma ngebhola.
Okay. Yeah. Aphumelana. Uyangitshela ukuthi just ufuna ukukhona.
So khuluma ngebhola.
Yena bekangekho la.
Stibo. Kaizer Chiefs asibonanga medlala.
Sure.
But kunama issues esifuna ukwa address.
Address them.
Team ebebadlala nayo namhlanje.
Yeah.
They arrogant too much.
Yes.
Throughout the week, I think they were offered a stadium ukuthi bazotrainer, and they said no.
Why?
Bangasifuna.
Why? Engineer.
They were also offered the transport njengabavakashi.
Yes.
Ukuthi sebenzisane le transport.
Yeah.
But they said no kuleyo transport as well. So arrogance yabo iyo le eyenze ukuthi nathi singama fans, because mawukhomba ama South African fans uyasifaka nathi.
Yes.
Mawukhomba Chiefs nathi uyasifaka.
Yes.
So leyo arrogance I didn't like it, man. And deep in my heart I hoped ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iwine le game. Because if bebayiluzile ingabe senkingeni enkulu, ngabe benza omunye umsindo laba bantu. Yeah, laba bantu they said they don't even know Kaizer Chiefs bayazela ku TV. That was a serious statement coming from them. Yeah, bona laba. Maybe I'll check ama press briefing. They were busy with Kaizer Chiefs, but to us it's not a big team. It's just an ordinary team esingayazi. So I'm happy that the Kaizer Chiefs they did well. To me angazi Chiefs kuye kwagcina sekwala kuphi. Chiefs started very well.
Yes.
And I can tell you now, this is a confederation. Mina, I see no reason for Kaizer Chiefs not to win this cup. A confederation.
Yeah.
Not lento ukuthi yes, they need to win it.
Yeah.
Ngoba Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team elapha ku confederation. Compete nama team aphume ku number 3, number 4. So this is a cup that they need to win. Stibo asiyele endlini emnyama.
Yeah, it's good.
Nabo coach yabo. During the week Orlando Pirates players are overrated. And I'm looking at this team, but labantu babuya la Lesotho. Isoweto combine is bigger than Lesotho.
Yes.
And you are saying Orlando Pirates, the players are overrated. But I liked coach here to ngoba irrespondile. Yati, this is the biggest team in Africa. In the continent is respected.
Sure.
And I'm not going to allow you to bulldoze a player they are overrated. But you know what the coach said? The coach said, let's meet on Saturday so that I can show you overrated. They were humiliated there. They were embarrassed. Aguna ne shot and target A1 yabo. So that proved we've got a team.
Yes.
Tibo, I can tell you now, this season umangabe Pirates I win CAF, I win league. I didn't see tinganyanga enkulu sosobalo yamazlo auction. Mele simvuse. Yeah, mele simvuse. Siyamvusa. No, amakanda amancane. Mase sivusa sosobala sesifuna lezinto esingazwina. So Stibo, I guess the mandate ku coach was very clear. Win us the CAF and win the league. That's why bamthengelela ama player bamthengele wona. Today ushaye squad rotation. You cannot believe. You know, even if ungaletha bani, as long as ama basics wakwe team ahlangene, ayikho into ezenzakala. So Stibo, I'm quite happy with Orlando Pirates. Into bebayidlala namhlanje laphana bekuyi-practice Tibo. I wish you were there. So you chose the wrong game. Where's Alana? Yes, Tibo into bengale. Yes, Tibo my bra. Uyazi ngesizulu bathini Tibo? Bathi uphuthelwe mfethu. Into bengale.
You are also here.
Into bengale Tibo.
You are also here.
Yeah. No, Ratle ko Tibo. It is ibeke kahle Stibo aranda koluna Ronald Stibo so Stibo
uyekelizwa Inhloso yakho
Stibo the game ebengale bemnandi kakhulu Brian.
Sure.
Mina ngibongela ama team ethu eSouth Africa. Mawakhona ukuthi ayomita ama opponent azayo. Into esifunayo from Chiefs group stages. Into esifunayo from Pirates hlangana nale opponent ozohlangana nayo manje and go to group stages. But both these teams abana reason yokuthi Pirates ngeke ithathe le CAF. I-Chiefs ayina reason yokuthi ngeke iwine le Confederation. Siyabonga Steve. Siyabonga Brian. So anginokhuluma ngabo man of the match la ngibonanga next. Ngale ngizoyinikeza umremi ngale. Ya ngale ngizoyinikeza umremi. 2 goals ngale. Ngapha nginikeza umthetho. Mara nithi inkomo umthetho nginikezela. Oh hayi nginisho. Yeah no nginikeza umthetho ngapha bathi umthetho yeah.
Usho
angazi bathi uye ngapha angazi ngapha